the all-new Garmin DriveSmart 76 7-inch car GPS navigator with bright, crisp high-resolution maps and Garmin Voice Assist.
Inch high-resolution navigator includes map updates of North America. Special feature, easy-to-read display, voice assist, hands-free calling, live traffic and weather, traffic cams and parking, smart notifications, driver alerts, TripAdvisor, National Parks Directory, find places by name, Garmin Real Directions feature. Hands-free calling when paired with your compatible smartphone with Bluetooth technology, and convenient Garmin Voice Assist lets you ask for directions to places you want to go. Road trip ready features include the history database of notable sites, a U.S. National Parks Directory, TripAdvisor traveler ratings, and millions of Foursquare poise. Driver alerts for things such as school zones, sharp curves, and speed changes help encourage safer driving and increase situational awareness. Access live traffic, fuel prices, parking, weather, and smart notifications when you pair this navigator with your compatible smartphone running the Garmin Drive app. With Alexa built in, drivers should focus on driving and only use this function when safe to do so. Must pair with the Garmin Drive app running on your compatible phone. You can ask to play music, listen to audiobooks, hear the news, and more, all while you keep your hands on the wheel and eyes on the road. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity allows easy map and software updates without a computer. Included dual USB charger provides an extra charging port for phones, tablets, or other electronics.
Thanks for watching.